Hi, this tutorial is about how to send a timecode from MagicHD internally to MagicQ PC. First, what we do is we go into patch, and as you can see, I have patched one MagicHD media player. If you haven't done this yet, you go into choose dim media, select MagicHD, click patch, and then it will patch you one media server. So once this is done, I go into my setup, view settings, MIDI timecode, and I select in timecode decode internal MagicHD. Make sure that in network you have send to application on this PC is set to yes, and on multi-console enable remote control and enable remote access is also set to yes. Then we go into our media window and we can see our MagicHD media server. So I select MagicHD, my layer 1 and my output, and I will set it at full. Then I will select my layer 1, go into the media window, and on encoder Y I can select the media folder and look for the media I want to play. So let's say I want to play this media file. Now you can see that I have my output. I can see it, but in my system info I still see that the timecode is not moving. So if I want to activate now timecode sending from MagicHD to MagicQ, I select my output fixture from MagicHD and I go into the cont case here. And then you can see on encoder D that you have the timecode output where you can select on which layer actually you want to send from which layer you want to send the timecode. I've clicked once, I want to have it on layer 1, and immediately you can see that MagicQ receives here a timecode. The hours actually correspond to the media number, and then the rest of it are the minutes and the seconds of your media that you're sending to MagicQ. I hope this is clear for you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate asking. See you. Bye.